What up, bottom enders? This is JJ Vel with Basis 718. I know it's been over a year since I put up a video, but it's been, it's been pretty tough, I'm sure, for you guys as well with COVID and all the things that have been happening, and laying low seemed like the right choice. Anyhow, today I want to break that spell. I'm going to go ahead break it by doing an unboxing of the Zoom B6. Now, as a bass player, I'm lugging tons of equipment. I've got a pedal board, weighs somewhere like a ton, and then I have my amp, my basses, etc. So traveling from gig to gig, even traveling abroad, it becomes a big problem. So if I can condense this and facilitate all this by just having all these pedals just condense into this pedal, which, well, I've had pedals before, but they just didn't sound as great. But supposedly the Zoom B6 supposed to sound really great. So I went online. There's not too much out there on it. I've done a lot of research and I get a basic idea, but there is still a lot of questions that I'm hoping I can answer once I get my hands on this. I'm not going to do a demonstration of the pedal right now, just the unboxing. Sorry. I wanted to do the demonstration, but I'm waiting for the expression pedal and a few other things. And of course, UPS has lost that package. So anyway, I'm waiting for it to get here. And once I do, I will be able to do a better in-depth tutorial on it and answer any questions of the Zoom B6. But for now, guys, let's do this unboxing. This is JJ Vel with Basis 718 saying Zoom B6. I think I got this shit upside down. Anyway, it doesn't matter. As I play around and I do whatever, and I do my gigs or I do recordings, there's always a demand for something different on your bass tone. And let me show you what I'm using, what my rig is right now. This rig here, aside from like all my other shit and stuff, whatever, this shit weighs a ton. I can barely carry this shit. I need so much help, plus my bass, all this other crap. I have to condense this shit. It's too much. I'm serious. And especially nowadays, you don't get paid shit for gigs. So carrying shit like this, plus your bass and everything else, no. All right, let's move on. I needed to condense this, make my life easier and make gigs more worthwhile. Is that gonna happen with this? I don't know. There's not enough online on this. No one touches on the basis of what this thing can really do on this thing. All right, so here we go. We got the manual, I would presume. And then, of course, now here is the actual unit. So here it is in all its splendor. Let me put it on the operating table. Okay, so let's fire her up. All right, so I guess aside from also as a performer, this thing also supposedly works really great as an interface. You have a rhythm machine, so you could pretty much, play along, have a drum beat without having to use an external, which I always did using the Beat Buddy, but again, it's another pedal. But anyway, let's give this a whirl. I will try to get this another video out there ASAP. You know what I mean? To let you know what's up. But there's a few things to learn here. Anyway, JJ Vel with Basis 718 saying, peace!